How to change language in Picsart. Want to switch to your preferred language in Picsart? Here's how to do it. First, click on your profile icon, which is located at the top right of your screen. From here, go to Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll to find the language option under General Settings. Click on it and select your desired language from the drop-down list. Once selected, Picsart will automatically reload the interface in the chosen language. What language do you prefer editing in? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If the language does not update, try logging out and back in. That usually refreshes the interface completely. And that's how you can change language in Picsart. Easy, right? And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.